Said her name was a hand-me-down name from the side of a family that long ago came over here on a boat from somewhere in Spain. Sounded to me just a little bit strange, I guess, but I have to admit, it felt good on my lips. She tipped the DJ to play her favorite song, a Spanish little number that was rocking on stone. She grabbed me by the sleeve and said, let's go and get it on. By the second chorus I was singing right along with it. I don't know what it meant, but it felt good on my lips. Ooh, I wanna go crazy, you can go crazy too. Ooh, I wanna go crazy with you. Everybody say